Page 169. Common Rail Direct Injection. Common Rail system is a recently developed fuel supply system. The fuel supply system consists of a high-pressure injection pump. Currently in Thailand, the pressure can be as high as 1800 bar. To press the fuel into a common rail to wait for the appropriate injection timing processed by an electric control unit, ECO. At the proper time processed by ECO, a fuel injection valve or injection pin will be lifted using propulsion from a solenoid powered by electricity to inject fuel. Page 170. A fuel injection system in an old engine type, which is a row or distributor type, lifts the injection pin by using the fuel pressure pumped in about 120 to 250 bar. It overcomes the pressure of the spring at fuel injection, making the injection pin open to allow fuel flow. This old mechanism does not allow flexible fuel injection timing. The common rail system, which uses electric control system, is able to inject fuel flexibly corresponding to the working condition appropriately as processed by ECO. The engine's ECU acknowledges the condition of the engine from sensors, for example, the amount of oxygen in the exhaust, the pressure in the common rail, the accelerator, and the temperature, etc. The advantage is being able to control fuel injection as needed. Current ECUs can perform multiple injection, which helps reduce the amount of nitric oxide, soften combustion, and reduce engine breakdown. Page 171. Current fuel system manufacturers are about to reduce ECU to control injection up to 5 times per cycle. The principle is as follows. The first injection is called the pilot injection. It helps the first part of the fuel to mix with the air thoroughly. After that, the second injection follows, called pre-injection. This increases the concentration of the fuel for the first part of combustion. The third injection is called main injection. This controls the engine's working condition corresponding to accelerator. This controls the engine's working condition corresponding to accelerator input. The fourth injection is called after injection. This burns off carbon particles, PM, in the final part for complete combustion. The fifth injection is called post-injection. This controls the exhaust temperature. In Thailand, most systems are 2-time fuel injection, pilot and main injection. However, it is expected that 5-time injection technology will be imported due to more strict pollution release regulations. Common rail system consists of high injection pump, common rail, fuel injector, and ECU. The high-pressure injection pump is able to inject the fuel with a pressure as high as 1800 bar or 180 PA, depending on the engine series and manufacturer. This high pressure atomizes the fuel much better than the old injection method. Page 172. Common rail is a short, long tube. It is thick enough to tolerate high pressure. This common rail maintains stable pressure and helps disperse the fuel aerosol to combustion chambers consistently. Common rail fuel injector helps control fuel injection timing and the amount of fuel injected into combustion chambers deliberately. Electronic Control Unit, ECU, controls the overall system according to the driving, namely acceleration and driving at high or low speed. In addition, the ECU can inject a little fuel into the combustion chambers before injecting the fuel in cycle, called pilot injection. This reduces the intensity of the explosion in the ignition cycle. Therefore, it reduces noise and vibration, which is a disadvantage of old diesel engines. Furthermore, pilot injection helps the engine create continuous power. Due to the above mechanisms, the common rail system functions more effective than the old system. Therefore, it helps save fuel, releases less pollution, is quieter, and runs smoother than the old engine type. Page 173. Currently, the common rail system has been applied to most pickup trucks in Thailand, although the marketing names might be different. For personal cars in Europe, people prefer diesel engines because they pollute less. This common rail system has been widely accepted. The common rail engine was successfully invented by the Bosch company in Germany. At first, the common rail system was used in large machines. Its mechanism applied cams to open injection. Later, Bosch was able to reduce the size of the system. It was first installed in a Mercedes-Benz 1997. Currently leading companies produce this system to supply auto companies such as Nippon Denso and Delphi.